Okay guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to pin a video that you think that is making waves, on your TikTok channel. So what you just need to do is, first of all, just make sure you have the video uploaded. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to that video and click on it. So in my own case, I'll be using this video here, so I will just click on it. This video I've clicked on, that's the video I'll be using. So what I will just do is, let me pause the video for now. Yeah, so you can hear me clearly. So what you just need to do is just to click on this three dot icon, these three dots here. Once you click on that, it will pop up a bunch of things here. So what you just need to do is to pin. That's that. So that's an easy way for you to be able to pin a video you think that is making waves on your TikTok channel. So if we go back here, if I go back to my channel, my profile, actually you discover that this video already has been pinned, and because it has been pinned, it will be shifted up to the front area of my TikTok videos. So this also will be able to help you to generate more views. When you see that video is taken off, what you just need to do is to pin it on your profile, so that you can be able to get more views from people that are visiting your profile. So this is an easier way to do that. In order to get more or get trained on most things about the internet, tech stuff, actually, just follow up and learn more about that.